Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 4 of my videos on practicing loop structure in C++. In this part, we will perform two tasks. Task number 7 is to write a program that prints factorial of a number entered by user. Task number 8 is to write a program to find sum of the factorial of n natural numbers, where n is the number entered by user. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.